What is up everyone, it's Seeker here, and today we're going to clean my keyboard. I've got this keyboard for half year and this is my first time cleaning it. It's kind of dirty, it is pretty neat on the top, but underneath all the keycaps is kind of dirty. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what do you need to clean a keyboard? A bowl, some napkins, a key remover which usually comes with a keyboard, hand soap. This is 4 things that is essential to clean your keyboard. The next 3 things is not essential but recommended. Alcohol, cotton sticks, a vacuum. So this is all you need to clean your keyboard. Plus, you need your phone to take a picture of your keyboard layout just in case you forget how to recover it. First thing we're going to do is take a picture of the keyboard layout, which let you know how to recover it. And now with your keyboard remover, let's start to remove all the caps. So I just removed all the keycaps and the switches looks very pink. And we're going to do the next step, which is wash all the keys with hand soap. And I might vacuum the keyboard itself and use some cotton sticks and napkins to wipe it. Hope it can be great. Okay, let's get into next step. Okay, this is the next step. We're going to wash all the keycaps. Oh, let's first put some water in there. The cap isn't, I don't think they're too dirty, but anyway, I'm gonna put some hand soap in there. Let them stay in there for like a couple minutes and then wash it. Okay, it's 10 minutes later and what we're going to do next is slowly wash all the caps. And then we can do the cleaning of all the keycaps and restore them onto the keyboard. So meanwhile the key is setting in the water, we can actually vacuum the keyboard a little bit. And next we're going to clean the side and the back of the keyboard, which also use the napkins. This is the easy part. You just have to basically wipe every part of the keyboard. That's very easy. Okay, last we're going to use some alcohol and some cotton sticks to clean those little tiny corner that is around the switches. Oh, and remember, never use too much water on your napkin or too much alcohol on your cotton stick. Okay, so basically this is it for the keyboard. I think this is pretty much very clean. Like this. Last, just blow some of the dust away from the keyboard, and I think that will be pretty much it. And let's go back to our keycaps. Okay, I think our keycaps are pretty clean by now, so let's just wash it one more time. I think that's good. Oh, just don't go away. And take some napkins, place it nice and even. Okay, so that's all of our keys. This is the last step. Just wait it to dry. Maybe it takes several hours. And the last step is to replace all the keycaps on your keyboard, and the whole cleaning process is all done. Okay, now we got all of our keycaps dried, and the last step is to put all of them back onto the keyboard. Let's start it. just finished putting all of the caps on there. It's just like playing puzzles. It's kind of fun. So, oh, this is wrong. This too is wrong. So just be careful when putting your caps. You might be wrong, and it's better to test it with keyboard tester. You can find out everywhere in your browsers. So this is it for today's video. It's Rest Seeker here, and see you guys next time.